This is the Brother CORRECTRONIC GX-6750 electronic typewriter. It's in pretty good, clean condition. And take off the keyboard cover. And there's the keyboard. Already got it plugged in. The power is around here. Firing up just right. And I've got a piece of paper right here to put in. Get it ready to go. And then it says to activate self-demo, press backspace key while holding Alt key. Alright, I'm going to do that. And there it is. Pull that out, and you can see what the font looks like and all the cool things it can do. That's the Brother GX-6750 electronic typewriter.